be right there.
I received a call to Danbury, Connecticut, where a woman was playing in the yard right behind me here in the snow with her dog. She took off her gloves and later on realized that her ring was missing. So luckily, the Ring doorbell captured the location where she took the gloves off. So she's going to take me to the spot. We're going to see if we could find the ring. Have another signal here. This sounds more like the range. Let's see. Nice high-pitched sound. Could be those two engagement rings in the band. Let's see. Nothing yet. We're down the grass. Nope. Piece of can. Here we are, almost 3 hours later. I got one of the rings. I was able to find 2 rings. There's still one more here. Moved a lot of snow. I think I'm gonna have to come back when some of this snow melts. I've been here for probably about 3 hours now. So if you lose anything in the snow, give me a call. I'll help you find it.